Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey everyone, good morning. How are you this morning? Okay, I hope all of you are well today. Welcome back in my English lesson, 5th grade school. Okay everyone, for the last week, we already discussed about Unit 3, thinking about the past. And then we already also discussed about some activities that do people in the past. Yeah? Okay. And then for the now, we would like to continue our lesson by make some sentences by using used to. Oke, anak-anak, pagi ini kita akan melanjutkan pembelajaran kita di unit 3 dengan membuat beberapa kalimat contoh menggunakan kata used to. Used to bisa kita artikan dulunya seperti itu ya. Atau dalam bahasa Indonesia kita membuat kalimat seperti ini. Dulunya saya bekerja sebagai pelopor koran. Nah, seperti itu. Okay, everyone, are you ready for our lesson today? Okay, that's good. Okay, now, before we are going to discuss deeply our lesson, I would like to remind you about our vocabularies from last week. Are you ready? Okay, here we go.
Use payphones. Play cassette tapes. Record videos. Deliver newspapers. Keep an address book. Collect stamps. Watch silent films. Develop photos.
Okay, students. Now, I would like to give you listening test by listening the audio. Listen the audio carefully. Then, you have to match the alphabets or the letters to the pictures. You can play the audio maximum for 3 times. You can download the listening test paper in our Google Classroom before. Don't forget to submit your English test paper in our Google Classroom. Baik anak-anak, kali ini ada tugas listening test buat kalian. Tugasnya adalah kalian harus mendengarkan setiap kalimat yang disampaikan. Setiap kalimat yang disampaikan, kalian harus pasangkan sesuai dengan gambar yang tertera di sana. Untuk abjad A adalah sebagai contoh buat kalian. Silahkan kalimat B, C, D, dan seterusnya kalian pasangkan atau kalian jodohkan sesuai gambar yang tertera di sana. Baik anak-anak, untuk lembar jawaban listening test bisa kalian download di Google Classroom kita. Okay, everyone, are you ready for listening test? That's good. Here we go.
A. My mother keeps an address book to help her remember phone numbers. B. You need to wake up early to deliver newspapers. C. We can play cassette tapes to listen to music. D. When you collect stamps, you can keep them in a book. E. After you use an old camera, you need to develop photos. F. If you don't have a cell phone, you can use a payphone. G. Let's record videos and watch them later. H. We can watch silent films on my TV.
Now, for this section, I would like to explain you about used to in some sentences. But before that, I would like to give you our chance today. So please check this out.
What did Grandma used to do when she was younger?
She used to record videos when she was younger.
Did you used to record videos when you were younger?
No, I didn't used to record videos when I was younger.
What did Grandpa used to do when he was younger?
He used to develop photos when he was younger.
Did you used to develop photos when you were younger?
No, I didn't used to develop photos when I was younger.
What did Mom used to do when she was younger?
She used to play cassette tapes when she was younger.
Did you used to play cassette tapes when you were younger?
No, I didn't used to play cassette tapes when I was younger.
What did Dad used to do when he was younger?
He used to collect stamps when he was younger.
Did you used to collect stamps when you were younger?
No, I didn't used to collect stamps when I was younger.
She used to record videos when she was younger. He used to use payphones when he was younger. They used to watch silent films when they were younger. He used to play cassette tapes when he was younger. She used to collect stamps when she was younger. He used to deliver newspapers when he was younger. They used to keep an address book when they were younger. She used to develop photos when she was younger.
Okay, everyone. This section, I would like to give you more explanation about used to in sentences. Okay, have you finished your exercise in your Hangout workbook, page 23? Okay, that's good. So, here are the answers for those questions or those statements, yeah. For example, for the number 1, he used to use payphones. My grandparents used to record videos of my dad. Number 3, she used to play cassette tapes. Number 4, I used to keep an address book. Number 5, they used to watch silent films. Number 6, he used to deliver newspaper in the neighborhood. Number 7, I used to collect stamps as a hobby. And for the last number, people used to develop the photos they took. So, used to here, it's mean that dalam bahasa Indonesia artinya dulu ya. For example, number 1, he used to use payphone. Dia dulu menggunakan telepon berbayar atau telepon umum. Nah, mungkin saat ini sudah tidak lagi gitu ya. Number 2, my grandparents used to record videos of my dad. Kakek saya dulunya merekam video ayah saya. Seperti itu ya. Mungkin kalau sekarang sudah bisa menggunakan smartphone. So, these are example use to in sentences. Ya. Okay. Next, you have to focus that. Ya. Ada beberapa yang harus diperhatikan. Okay, for example, I give you some sentences here. He used to pay phones when he was younger. When he was younger. Okay. She used to record video when she was younger. She was younger. They used to collect stamps when they were younger. When they were younger. Karena kalimat ini adalah kalimat lampau, maka to be-nya juga ikut berubah. Ya. Oke, apa saja yang berubah? Please focus. If the subject he, she, or it, ya, biasa to be-nya is, so become wash. Ya. He wash, she wash, and then Mr. John was, for example, like that. And for the other subject, for example, you, they, we, yang biasanya menggunakan to be are. Kalau masa lampau, kalimat masa lampau menjadi were. You were, they were, we were. Oke, seperti itu ya anak-anak. Next. So, what about use to in interrogative and negative sentences? Bagaimana penggunaan kata use to dalam bentuk kalimat pertanyaan dan bentuk kalimat negatif? Okay, let's check this out. For example, what did your uncle used to do when he was younger? He used to deliver newspaper. Untuk model pertanyaan nomor 1, ya, untuk kalimat bentuk pertanyaan, maka used to-nya tidak menggunakan D di belakangnya. Seperti untuk kalimat yang positif ya. Jadi, used to. Khusus untuk interrogatif. What did your uncle used to do when he was younger? Nah, apabila dalam bentuk kalimat positif, jawabannya he used to deliver newspaper. Used to. Ada imbuhan D di belakangnya ya. Okay. For example, did you used to name your pet when you were a kid? Nah, dalam bentuk jawaban kalimat negatif, no, I didn't. Ya. Untuk negatif menggunakan kalimat no, I didn't. No, I didn't used to name my pet. Jadi dalam bentuk kalimat negatif sama seperti interrogatif, used to tidak menggunakan imbuhan D di belakangnya. Oke? Tetapi kalau jawabannya positif, yes, I used to name my pet. I used to name my pet. Penggunaan kata used to diakhiri dengan imbuhan D di belakangnya. Okay, everyone? So, after this, please do the exercise book page 25, task A, and also page 27, task A. Please do all the tasks as an exercise at home. Okay, everyone. Yeah, I think that's all of my explanation about used to. Thank you. Well, students, so what about my explanation last? I hope all of you get it all about our lesson today. So, I think it's enough for today. Thank you so much for your attention. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to do your exercise at home and then keep healthy at your home. Thank you so much. I say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you, bye bye.